So today I'm gonna try something that I have never tried before. I've heard about it on many occasions and now it's the day to try it. It's something that I don't think I would have ever tried unless somebody told me that it's eatable, and that's actually a lot of people eat it in Nigeria and abroad because it's nzu. It's eatable clay. So basically, not sure if you can see it looks like a stone or a flat stone, and people just chew it. It's addictive. I heard people crave for it. Once you start, you can't stop, and I will try it today. So let me go with the flat one first. It's very hard to bite, like stone. It tastes like earth. It tastes like you fell down. You fell on the ground and earth entered your mouth. I don't think I would be craving it, to be honest. It's a bit sandy, stony, gums on the teeth, a bit salty too, right? Okay. They say it helps against morning sickness. Amagim. Then there's another one. It looks really more like a stone. It's big and looks a bit different, so let me try this one. Way more salty than the first one. More soft. But with a lot of small stones. Hey, it's like eating a bakeleke rice that hasn't been cleaned. I'm sorry, I support locally made rice. That's not the point. But abakaliki rice, you have to remove the sand before you eat it. It's the truth. No, I don't think that was too much. It's really gummy. I mean, the salt, I can understand that you're craving salty things, but it's better to maybe eat chips for me than clay. Nzu. I have to go and wash my mouth with water.